Part 4 and the final video in the series on the Mafika Lisiu Pass covers the lower half of the eastern descent to the village of Lejone. The village of Lejone is located on a ridge on the northern bank of the Mafika River. This is one of the longer rivers in Lesotho, which sources high in the Malutes, close to the South African border, and has a length of 68 kilometers as the crow flies, and probably 50% longer than that when measured along its actual course. It drains the eastern slopes of the Maloti range and flows southwards past the village of Lejone and eventually joins the Senku River 5 kilometers northeast of Moslanapeng. The Mafika River forms the northern arm of the Katse Dam, a part of the Lesotho Highlands water project. Katse is Africa's highest elevation dam at 1,993 meters. Here the river is joined by the Bokong River. Downstream the Mafika's left-bank tributaries are the Matsuku and the Semanyani rivers before it forms a right-hand bank tributary of the Senku or Orange River. The Katse Dam was built as a part of the first phase of the Lesotho Highlands water project, which will eventually include 5 large dams. The idea for the dam came from a South African civil engineer, Ninam Shand, who identified it as a way to channel the water supply to South Africa. Water has been redirected to aid Maseru in times of dangerous shortages, and the project was also created in order to generate electricity for Lesotho. In 1986, the World Bank arranged for a treaty between South Africa and Lesotho to commence with the project. The Katse Dam is located high in the Malute Mountains on the Mafika River. It's currently the second largest dam in Africa, the largest being the Katse Dam in Ethiopia, which was built in 2009. The Katse Dam has a double curve arch structure. The dam was officially completed in 1996 and the reservoir was filled with water in 1997. On January the 22nd, 1998, water began to be delivered to South Africa. The water starts its long journey at the intake tower at Lejone, eventually arriving in the Ash River between Clarens and Bethlehem, then into the Liebenberg's Vlei River, which joins the Wilga River near Frankfurt, before finally reaching the Vaal Dam. The dam created problems for the lives of many local farmers who lost land to the project. The project was quite controversial as many of the Basotho people do not have easy access to safe and clean drinking water.